Each one of us has something in common, which is study. However, some of us do not always accomplish what they set out to do. In this video, we will make sure to deliver the best techniques that will undoubtedly make a difference in your learning process. But before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to support our channel. Now let's get started. 6 methods to learn anything faster. Number 1. Study in a private place. Self-learning requires a lot of discipline and can be difficult at first, but like any endeavor, it gets easier with time. When done correctly, self-study is a very effective learning tool, and it can be useful when used to prepare for a test or learn an entirely new subject on your own. One of the most important benefits of having a separate study area is that it sharpens the mind and improves concentration. A student in a dedicated study space is far less likely to be disturbed by other people at home. Number 2. Study on a regular basis. Excellent study skills can boost your confidence, competence, and self-esteem. They can also reduce anxiety about tests. You may be able to reduce the number of hours you spend studying by developing effective study skills, giving you more time for other things in your life. When you learn, your brain undergoes significant changes, including the formation of new connections between neurons. This is referred to as neuroplasticity. The more you practice, the stronger these links become. Number 3. Practice sports. Studies have shown that exercise increases blood flow to the brain and helps the body build more connections between nerves, which fires up your neurons and promotes cell growth, particularly in the hippocampus, leading to increased concentration, enhanced memory, stimulated creativity, and better developed problem-solving skills. In short, playing sports helps your brain grow and makes it work better. Number 4. Reward yourself after hard work. Resting is a necessity depending on your preference: playing video games, sports, or simply hanging out with friends. This is a really important part of the process in which will enhance your performance, leading to much better results. Number 5. Test yourself before the exam. Most of us will skip this step because we believe we will perform well in the exam. And during the exam you'll discover a slew of errors that could jeopardize your exam results and possibly lead to frustration and a loss of concentration. However, this step is critical because it will reveal a lot of missing information that will make a huge difference in how well we perform in the exam. As a result of which your confidence and willingness to perform better will increase. Number 6. Dispensed practice. Any subject becomes more complex as the body of knowledge grows over time. Therefore, in order to gain an in-depth understanding, you must study within the confines of that subject and build up your knowledge of it. Studying various subjects can thus provide a unique perspective on a wide range of issues. Therefore, this will improve your brain's receptivity to learning. Leave a like below if you like the video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.